This is that once in a lifetime.
If you thought I had proper interests, you're in for a world of disappointment. Hi guys, I'm Natalie. I hope you knew that. This is my first video, and I'm kind of scared. This is gonna be my favorites for July of 2016, which was a good month. I'm proud of how I spent it. Most of it was anime. I'm gonna say that right now. So half of this is gonna be my anime recommendations. So the first one was Full Metal Alchemist. I put that off for a really long time, and I felt kind of bad. Also, I didn't want to part with it, so I kind of put the ending off for a long time. I also got a little keychain of Ed. I got it at the state fair. It was so cute. It was like $5, but it's so good. I'm so proud. The second one is Sailor Moon. It's just so cute. Like, I love the colors, and I love all the characters. And Usagi is me. I'm gonna get it. I made this Usagi bed sheets notebook for school. I'm actually gonna use it because I don't care. I just love Sailor Moon. I'm not that far actually. I wrote down my favorites. I just realized I missed one. The second one is Mononoke. It's only in subs, and I don't really like subbed anime because I can't pay attention for that long. I know it's kind of bad. It's really good though, because it's about it's like Japanese myths, and the main character is really cute. The art style is really good also. It's really good. And then the fourth one is K Project, or K, it goes by K. It's really good too. It's like clans, and they fight, and then one of the main characters is my favorite. His name's Misaki Yata, or Yata. I don't know. And then Voltron Legendary Defender is so good. My friend Princess got me into it. Dreamcast or whatever. They got a huge budget to reboot Voltron, the 1980s cartoon. It's so good, and all the characters are so good, and there's strong female leads, and there's a gender fluid character, and they're all different races, and it's so good. And my favorite, his name's Lance. I changed my Tumblr, my second Tumblr. I have two. I have Felt Fox, and then I have just for whatever, fandoms, and it's called Lance dash whatever Dabs. So Lance Dabs, because he's a dork and they love it so much. He's the blue one. Right now I'm trying to watch Haikyuu. It's so good, it gets me so hyped up. And the intro song. And then earlier this July, I went to Berkeley and I hung out with my brother because he goes to school there. And we watched Samurai Champloo, which is so good. It's like squad goals because it's this girl, her name's Fu, and she's trying to find this, the samurai. I don't want to spoil anything, but she's looking for the samurai who smells of sunflowers. And so she gets two bodyguards, this guy named Mugen, his name's Mugen, and then there's Jean. I'm really bad with names, but Mugen is more ruthless, and he just does what he wants. He reminds me of Lance from Voltron a little. Lance reminds me of Mugen a little bit. Also reminds me of Misaki Yata. But anyway, Jean is more disciplined. He's a samurai. It's really good. And it's really platonic. Mostly, I think that's really cool because sometimes animes can really mess that up. Like love triangles, or just shows in general, or movies. Just love triangles make me stressed out. Everything gets me stressed out. Okay, that's all for the anime. I think stuff that I'm going to watch is free. I'd really like to watch Naruto and One Piece, but there's so many episodes. Wait, I might watch Tokyo Ghoul. It sounds I was told that I should read it instead, but I don't read. I'm really bad at reading. But if you have recommendations, you should tell me. And then tell me why. Or else I'll forget about it. Okay, enough for anime, but my other favorites were Pokemon Go, because I just love it because it connects you with a lot of people. Like me and my friends, we get together and we just walk around wherever, just playing Pokemon and then bonding. It's really cool. And it's exercise. Then I went to Berkeley when I was with my brother, and we just walked around. And we went in the nighttime, like on the campus. He had to go to class, and then I was walking around, and if I didn't have Pokemon Go, I would have been bored and scared and sad. But I was scared and sad, but playing Pokemon. And I didn't get mugged or anything, so. My other favorites, which I can actually show you now, are jewelry that I got this month. Actually, I got this pendant like in June. And it's this little amethyst crystal. I got it in Hawaii. It's really cute. And then recently I put it on a thing, so I can actually wear it. Then I got this choker. It's a moon and stars. It's really cute. I've worn it like once. And then I got those things. They're the hype. Just kidding. I don't know. I have not seen people. I've seen Simply Kenna wear them. She's my god. So I got one. And then I have a summer playlist on Spotify right now. It's called Remember Last Time, because the first song on there is called Remember Last Time by Avi Buffalo. And all the songs on there are just stuff that I really like this month, because I just go through music super fast and like I'll get sick of songs, and I just love playlists. They just get me all hype. I get hype over like small things, like volleyball animes. I also really liked when I stayed with my brother, he made French pressed coffee, which is really easy. It just tastes really good. And it's really simple, and it's like, wow, you can make coffee this simple and it tastes good. I love coffee. I was gonna make coffee and drink it, but then I was like, I should probably start videotaping right now before my mom comes home, because I don't want to be talking and then her yelling in the background at my dog or something, or then her coming in and be like, what are you doing? And I'm like talking to the internet. Also, there's this other app that I got called Viridi, which my friend Morelia, she just sent it to me. She's like, this reminds me of you. And I'm like, it's so cute. And it's just, you just water like succulents. Like, that's all you do. You can name them. This little snail that runs across your bowl, I named it Misaki Yata. And then you can spray water on it. The description goes from, wow, cute, to wet. I'm gonna grab it. It's a comic called Plutonia. I hope I can find it, because usually I lose things really easily. And if I don't, oh, I found it, never mind. I got it at the comic store in Berkeley. It's called Plutonia. It's so cute. Like, look at the colors. And look at the look, she's kind of the main character. I don't know anybody's name. I don't know anything about this. I was like, I like the colors. I want it. It's about cape spotting, which is like watching superheroes or something because they exist in this universe. It's really cool. I should probably buy the rest of them. And then I got this cute makeup bag at Daiso. It's just cute. I don't know. It was like $1.50. It's just mesh and then yellow. And there's a little ribbon and a hair sticking out. Also, I spend money like there's no tomorrow sometimes. Two last things. One, rice pudding. My mom made really good rice pudding. Lastly, was camping, which I did for the past 2 days, 2 or 3 days, I don't know. And I went to Stanislaus County, and the place I stayed in was called Brighton Flats, I think. I had lot 30, if you guys want to go check it out, I don't know. And it was so nice, like, but I love camping because nature is like my life, and California is like, I'm spiritually connected to California, and all the trees, and all the mountains, and the water, and hiking, and jumping on rocks and stuff, and almost dying, which I did like twice. We went on this big old hike. You'll probably see so many photos on my Instagram, but it was really nice, and I got to watch all the stars and see the Milky Way, and like down here and where I live, you can't really see that, right? It was amazing. Everybody should camp. Everybody should see the stars, because it makes you think about like your spot in the universe, and like it's super cliche, but like it happens, and I'm like standing there like crying because of the stars, and I'm like I love space, but then I hate space, but then I'm like Voltron, and then I'm like, aliens are gonna come kill us. I did astronomy and science Olympiad. Science Olympiad is life. Astronomy is life. Legit, like literally. That's basically all I had. I'm about to run out of space to like, I think I've recorded like 15 minutes of video so far, but then I'm gonna edit it down. I hope it's not a lot so that nobody like gets tired of me. I deleted like 2 apps just to do this. I might do some more videos if I can think of anything to do. So, have a good summer. I gotta go write an 8-page essay and then describe the IB program as if it were horoscopes. I'm gonna put all of my links down in the description. Look at my Bandcamp. Look at my Etsy, please. Put in my other Instagrams. I have 2. And then my 2 Tumblrs, if you want to see all my fandoms. My Twitter. I got a Pinterest. I got a Polyvore. I'm everywhere. So, swag. Bye.